I reviewed the financials of over 100 beauty professionals who've launched courses, and 89% of them failed. I'm Malika, the Beauty CFO, your beauty finance bestie, so you can stop chasing hype and finally build the wealth you deserve while building behind the chair. Let's jump into today's video. Let me introduce you to Sarah. She's a lash artist. She decided to go all in, launching 3 different courses bundled inside her very own membership. She spent $15,000 setting it up, from platforms, subscriptions, filming, the works. On social media, it looked like a polished, successful launch. It literally looked like success in the making. Now, compare that to Michelle, a colorist. But instead of going big, she went lean. She launched just one course, pre-sold it before creating anything, and kept her starting budget under 10K. No fancy bundles, no overblown tech, just one proven skill delivered well. So why do most beauty pros end up like Sarah instead of Michelle? Because they get caught up in what I like to call the education illusion, fueled by 5 key mistakes I see everyone make. Launching too many courses too soon, bloating your tech stack with stuff you absolutely don't need, underpricing to be competitive, and getting stuck in perfectionism instead of execution. The difference between Sarah and Michelle is what I call the $1 million course blueprint. Not that you're guaranteed to make $1 million overnight, but this framework sets you up for success. It's a simple 3-phase system that guarantees profit positioning on every course you launch. Phase 1 is the one course rule. Pick one skill you're already known for. You know, the thing that gets engagement online and keeps your books packed. That's your thing. That's your expertise. From there, pre-sell it to validate the demand. Likes doesn't equal buys. And here's where most beauty pros miss it. Once you move into education, your audience switches from the consumer to professional. That means your content and your pitch have to speak to pros who want to learn your skill and not the clients you want to service. Keep your startup budget lean. Think about this. Is the platform simple to log into? Is your checkout experience smooth? How are you going to deliver what you're teaching? And is your teaching setup clear? Prioritize a clean and user-friendly experience over bells and whistles. That's what drives completion, referrals, and puts your expertise in position to profit from day one. Phase 2 is all about proven profitability. Can this course really generate revenue and not just attention? You do that by setting a benchmark. How many courses do you want to sell? That's your target. Anything above that number, you're in a profit position. Here's what I mean. If you spent $7,000 to build out your course, you have to make $7,000 just to break even. Profitability validation tells you what price you need to set your course at in order to hit that break-even point. Phase 3 is expansion. Only after you've actually proven your course can be profitable do you expand. That's when you turn one profitable course into a bigger ecosystem. VIP coaching, group programs, certifications, you name it, you can do it. But every stream must come from your proven hook. Here's the reality check. Sarah spent $15,000 chasing the illusion and ended her first year $3,000 in the hole. Michelle spent $8,500 and profited $56,500 in that same year. Same industry, same ambition, different blueprint, different result. And this is where you step into your role as a beauty CEO. The framework has 5 core pillars: smart pricing, cash flow mastery, lean expenses, tracking systems, and profit growth. This is how you put your expertise in position to profit at every single launch. It's not because you're not talented. It's not because you don't work hard. It's because now you know how to be intentional. And that's how you position your expertise to profit every single time. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more content like this. And before you go, I've put together a free checklist to help you map out your very first profitable course launch. The link is right below in the description.